day and welcome to today's construction class. We'll be considering the problem as displayed on the screen using Autocad problem number 8. Alright, so making A the lowest point. Alright, so I'm going to pick my line right here. Okay, I'm going to draw this at height of 20, enter. Okay, so width of 100, enter. Okay, yeah, this is going to be 110, enter. This is going to be 100, enter, and this is going to be 20, enter, all the way down to here. This is going to be 100, enter, and close to here. Alright, so it's going to be from here to here. Okay, so after I've done that, I'm going to come here like this, distance of 10, enter. That's 30 degrees right there. Distance of 10, enter. That's 30 degrees right there, like that. Going to trim and take this out, trim this and trim this. Okay, so from this junction, height of 55, enter. 80, enter, and back here. Okay, so I'm going to stand here and draw this at 120 degrees like this. I'm going to draw that like that. Likewise, I'm going to stand here and draw this also at 120 degrees like this. Okay, I'm going to draw this straight at 30 degrees like this, at 30 degrees like this, and with my trim, I trim this, and this, taking this out. Don't really need that over there. I don't need this, or this, or this, or this. So a distance of 40 on the inside. So right here I'm putting 20 like that. Okay, and from this area also has 30 degrees, 20. Okay, and like that. Then I'm trimming this and this. Okay, the height there is 25. Okay, so with this at 25, enter, all the way down at 30 degrees like this. Okay, okay, what else? Okay, oh I need to replicate this here also. 20, enter, like this, and take this out. Then from here also at 30 degrees, 20, enter, like this. Then take it all the way up, and I can trim this, then I can join this at 30 degrees 50, enter. So I can trim this, and this. Okay, I can take this like this, then trim this like this also. Okay, what else? Let me check. I think yeah, we are done. Alright, so that is the production of that object in isometric view using the AutoCAD software. Once again, my name remains Oluwatunde Blessing Olalekun, the founder of MaekllTech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer it to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.